This is Andrea with my Infinity Space. My Infinity Space is about DIY classroom decoration and organization. DIY stands for Do It Yourself. Decorating is needed to personalize your classroom along with making it more welcoming to students and their families. Organization is another big priority for classroom management. Organizing can be done many different ways depending on how the teacher needs it to be for each lesson or class. Decorating and organizing is fun. Thanks for watching. By yours truly, Andrea Schmitt. The end.